In this video, I am going to show you how to use the daily idea features on VidIQ. VidIQ's daily idea feature is designed to inspire content creators with fresh video ideas tailored to their audience and past performance. Start by launching the VidIQ application or web site. You can find the link in the video's description. Look for the Daily Ideas section within the app or dashboard. This is typically prominently displayed, given its utility in generating content idea. VidIQ presents daily ideas in a user-friendly Tinder-style format. Swipe right on an idea if it resonates with you and you're considering creating content around it. Swipe left on an idea that don't align with your content strategy or interests. All the ideas you've interacted with are nearly categorized under Saved or Dismissed tabs. This organization allows you to revisit your choice and explore saved ideas further, or reconsider dismissed ones. It's available for free, making it accessible right from your browser or mobile app without any initial cost. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.